Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama, and we wanted to share some tips and useful information when preparing for bad weather. In our part of the country, in Alabama in the southeast, sometimes we have to deal, depending on the time of the year, we have to deal with bad weather. We get tornadoes in the spring and down on the Gulf Coast, and most recently we had Hurricane Michael that created such devastation along the Panhandle and through Alabama, Florida, Georgia, and into the Carolinas. So we always have to be prepared, and these are not meant to overwhelm you, but just some useful, helpful tips and things that you can do well ahead of bad weather so that you're prepared and not more stressed than you ordinarily would be. In no particular order, consider doing the following things. Pull together a to-go bag, clothing, medicine, and cash. Pull flashlights, batteries, candles, and lighters and put them in a particular place where you know you can easily find them. Make sure that you have a first aid kit. Pull together blankets, pillows, and towels where you can easily get to them. When bad weather is imminent and you know that it's on its way, find a safe place in your house. Or if your house is not as secure or safe as you would like it to be, find that spot in your neighborhood or in your community. There's always communities that have shelters, whether they're at schools or other civic arenas, or maybe there's a neighbor in the neighborhood who has one of those secure type homes or places within their homes. Make sure that all your electronics that you use, such as your cell phone obviously, is fully charged. Where are your pets? Make sure that you have figured out where the pets have gone and make sure that you have a plan for them. Can't forget about your pets. Make sure you're wearing your tennis shoes. I know that it may sound pretty obvious, but at the time you're thinking about things, you may not have shoes on when you're trying to do all of these things if you're in a hurry to get it all done. But wearing shoes, find your football helmets and bike helmets. We as a law firm on many occasions have given them out in the mid-state part of our mid-state area. Bike helmets, particularly in the spring, really serve two purposes. Unfortunately, one of the purposes is for safety reasons when weather is on its way. If you have a generator, make sure your generator is in good working order. Some are propane, or not propane, but gas powered. Make sure that you've got plenty of gas. Again, identify a safe place in your house. If you rely upon an all-weather radio, make sure you've got that with plenty of batteries back up. And have a plan, a phone tree plan of connecting with your loved ones and your neighbors and your close people. If you get organized ahead of time, then it'll be less stressful on you later on. Those are just a few of some helpful hints and tips of things to do. There are many other things that you can do, but if you get these done, then you're on your way to a good start. And just remember to use common sense. Hope everybody is safe wherever you are when weather comes your way, and we'll talk to you another time.